I'm going to get the actual thing from the Papa store. I'm not lying.
No, get it with the keychain. Because there's a little cloth thing where you clip
I
it.
can put it on my keys. But I'm getting the lip gloss and I need deodorant. Because this one's out. Like, there's no liquid sensation. I'm out.
Yeah, I know. I want to stay clean. And I clean my teeth. Look at my teeth. It's like the...
Oh, hell no. No, I put that on my armpit, you know.
Oh, it came out.
Okay. That means there's only a little bit left.
No, there's a lot coming out.
Still, I want like a nice clean cup.